Prince Nigma, back with another product that I think you guys should check out. It's actually an AI product as well, and I think it might be beneficial, so you might as well stick around to the end. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It helps push my videos out, and it's free to do, so you might as well do it, right? All right, let's get into today's product. Is actually called Song Generator IO. They do have a free trial on it, but they also have a paid version as well. And you'll see why you might want the paid version, and it's pretty reasonable. It's only $8. Well, I'll explain more why you want the paid version. I had this bright idea the other night. It was like, I wanted to create one of my old songs and get on this LeBron mix trend that's been going on. You've seen a bunch of people just posting their LeBron song, whether it's real voice, AI voice, and they're just going crazy with it. So I was like, all right, I want to try it myself. And that's when I stumbled onto this app, Song Generator IO. Now, basically, it's a pretty easy tutorial. You don't have to learn much about it. All you have to do is just log onto the website, type in your prompt, type in your old lyrics. You can change up the lyrics if you want. It's up to you. Make sure you have the right category of the style of song you want. You want to make sure the style matches the lyrics. Otherwise, the AI gets kind of wonky. And then you just click generate, and you're good to go. So like I said, I just took one of my old songs, which happened to be called Majesty, and I turned it into a LeBron mix, all right? So I switched up the lyrics a little bit, and then I just put it in the Song Generator IO, and then spit out 2 different versions. Now, I'm gonna have y'all listen and, you know, take a poll down in the comment section, or just let me know which song y'all like best, whether it's the first one or the second one. I like them both, but, you know, everybody has their own taste and stuff like that. But that said, let's get into the first.
Part of that life is big rings and goals. Rather take control, like the king in gold. If it ain't a chip, I don't want it on deck. Been through the fire, so get that respect. From the land where the crown gets checked. King James drop stats, let's flex. All you need to know is greatness, baby. Clear the channel, what are we addressing here, huh? If it ain't greatness, why you hyping me up? Me and my squad, all majesty, bruh. We move in silence, try to keep up. You think you clutch, we'll see about that. Shawty jumping like a tip-off stat. Me and my squad, all majesty, bruh. Clear the channel, what are we addressing here? Addressing legacy.
Awesome, now let's get into the second song. I'll tell you what.
Like the king in gold. If it ain't a chip, I don't want it on deck. Been through the fire, so get that respect. From the land where the crown gets checked. King James drop stats, let's flex. All you need to know is greatness, baby. Clear the channel, what are we addressing here, huh? If it ain't greatness, why you hyping me up? Me and my squad, all majesty, bruh. We move in silence, try to keep up. You think you clutch, we'll see about that. Shawty jumping like a tip-off stat.
I'll tell you what, like, I ain't expect the vocals to be that clear. The beats kind of, you know, it's there. It got a lot of potential there, you know? Especially for a song I made a couple years back. Definitely outperformed what I was doing with my song. When I say they, I'm talking about the AI agents and all them. Whatever they're doing behind the scenes, it just sounds great to me. And the reason why I said in the beginning of the video that you might want to pay for Song Generator IO is because they actually allow you to license the song. Even though your voice is not behind it, you can still get royalties from the song because technically you created it. It's your lyrics, you created the prompt, you created the style of the song. You're technically the producer of the song, so you are going to get royalties from the song. So that's the end of the video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, you know, especially for the next video, because y'all gonna be seeing the journey of me creating my books into a movie with AI. All right, till next time.